Hello there guys, welcome back to another short online tutorial based in Elementor. My name is Jack, I'm one of the tutors at Blue Sky Graphics, and as always it's my absolute pleasure in welcoming you here today. The reason why we're here today guys is to discuss how do we apply the button widget within Elementor and how we can stylize it and customize it to our own style and design. Buttons are an integral part of a website. They provide universal standard of encouraging users to perform an action. And when used correctly, it can really boost the user interaction. Okay, so buttons are very, very important for website building. So what I've got here is a simple template that I've used from Elementor, like so, in regards to trips abroad, backpacking in Switzerland, cliffs of Austria. And what I'd like to do now is apply a button to this particular website. As you can see here, when I come to my widgets, I have the button widget here. What I'm going to simply do now is click and drag that into position like so. And there is my button. And obviously what I want to do now is tell you how to style it and customize it to fit within the design that you're doing. You have three options here. You have content, style, and advanced. We're going to have a look at content first of all. The first option that we can have a look through here is our type. At the moment, it's on default, which we can change it. We can say to info, success, danger. For the moment, what we're going to do is leave it at default because we'll be able to customize it ourselves. The next option we have here is our type. So what I'm going to do now is type something in here. Like so, and as you can see, it's updating on the button, and you can actually have the option of adding some dynamic tags to this type also as well. What you can also do is add a link to this particular button, and if you open up your link options, what you can do is decide on whether you want the link to open up in a new window or not by simply clicking here. Okay, then we have the alignment here, like so. So you can align it center, to the right, justify, which will be the whole size, but I don't really like that at the moment. So I'm probably going to say alignment probably to the right there, let's say like so. Okay, so we have the size here, which we can change. We've got medium, large, extra small. I think small by default is pretty good size. And what we can also do is we can add an icon to this particular button here. So we have our own option of doing a customized icon. What I'm going to do is use our icon library here. So if I now click on that, as you can see, I have all of these icons to use. If I now was to type in arrow, for instance, and say insert, as you can see now, my arrow has been inserted. We have the icon position. So at the moment it's before it. We can say after, please, if that suits it better. And we have the icon spacing. This is the spacing between the type and the icon. And also what you can do here is add your own button ID to this particular button. Then we have style here, and this is where we come to sort of sort out the style of the button. Obviously, we have the typography that we can change and fit to our own designs. Size of it, let's say. I think the weight here, let's go for bold. Transform, uppercase, lowercase, capitalize. Quite like capitalize. Got line height here, for instance. We'll keep it normal. All changeable for yourself. Style, italic, default, decoration. We can have a little underline there if we want to do that. Overline, line through, or none, or default obviously as well. What we can also do here is come through and add some text shadow. If you're interested, we can add a blur to the type here. Got the color. Let's add sort of a nice black color there, let's say. Okay, now we have the text color here that we can change obviously as well to fit within our designs a little bit better. I think I'm going to go for a nice black color there. I think would suit that best. Perfect. Background type, color, so we can add a classic or an image, but what I want to do now is add a nice color to that. So I'm going to come through here and let's say I add a nice sort of white color to my button here, like so. We've got the border type. We can have solid, double, dashed. So we can add a nice border around our button. Let's go to none here, for instance. And we've got advanced where we can start adding some padding. So I'm just going to quickly unlock that, add some padding to the top here, just to bring the button down a little bit, just to give it a little bit of space. Let's probably put something in the bottom there as well. Perfect. And there you go, guys. That is how you apply a button widget within Elementor. If you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics, the school, our courses, our tutors, please don't hesitate visiting our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also as well, check out our Instagram at Blue Sky Graphics UK to have a look at some of our amazing work done by our talented students. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.